My name is David Becker. I'm a Reform Jew. Judaism, to me, means a cultural identity. My mother and my father are both Jewish, and their parents were both Jewish, so it's sort of within that identity that I associate myself culturally as a Jew.
My name's Sarah. On Shabbat, which is the Sabbath, every week we light candles and we have this bread called challah, and we say a blessing over wine, and all of those are kind of based in things from our past and from the Torah, which is our holy book.
Depending on levels of practice, piety, we can determine how much one has to do in order to be a good Jew. For me, and for a lot of Jews, it's important to give back, to help the world, to give back to the world, to help others, to help refugees, to help anyone who needs a home.
Treating other people with decency and respect and not making judgments about people.
Believe in one God. We believe that others can believe in whatever they believe in as well.
So Christianity was born of Judaism, so like most basic beliefs are pretty similar. Muslims and Jews share a history. God's image, that's what we say, so it's like, who are you to judge another person for how they're different from you?
People have these judgments that they make, and it's important for people to know more than just stereotypes about every religion.
My name is Kansu and my religion is Buddhist.
My name is Hel and my religion is Buddha. Okay. Buddhism is the religion that believes Buddha is a god.
So the thing is called like worship. So we just like sit on the floor and face the image of the Buddhas, and praying. So they will lead the monk like with the no hair on it, the monk. Yeah. They're just gonna pray for us, and we have to follow her like praying.
Pray a lot and respect other people.
It is a lot of rule, like not to do, how to respect mother and like the teacher. So that's why like we like it.
Never lies, never fight. Just like be a good person.
When we go to the temple, we pray, and it's one good for us.
If you don't believe other religion, but respect their religion.
My name is Kamal Muhammad and my religion is Islam.
My name is Maria and my religion is Islam.
Islam is the submission to Allah, your own creator.
Islam came from the Arabic word salam, which means peace.
To be a good Muslim is to believe in one God, believe in the angels, scriptures, messengers, the day of judgment, and God's predestination.
Islam means believing in all of the prophets, including Jesus.
Islam is a religion of peace, love, manners, honesty, forgiveness, justice, and equality.
And we need to have equality between men and women. We need to be merciful to animals. We need to honor our neighbors. We need to respect elders. We need to show mercy to our parents, and so on.
Islam is against violence.
And if a Muslim kills one person, no matter what race or religion the person is, it's as if he killed all humanity.
Because that, like Muslims cannot become one if they don't believe in the existence of like other religions or previous religions.
I'm Amin Tamang, and my religion is Hinduism. Hinduism is like a group of gods, but we say Brahma. Brahma was the one that created Earth and the human race. It just teaches how to respect our elders and have good spirits, and just be open and freely and be kind to one another and help out each other. A good Hindu is just being a good spirit. If you see someone going down, you just gotta pick them up. Always respect your elders. We do not have much to say about other religion. I hope there aren't much people that's like talking about other religions, and then there's a big conflict between religions. If people just instead of throwing their opinion out, they could just like keep it in their mind and then just not say it. I think it would be much better if people keep their opinion by themselves and then not making big issues out of it.
My name is Ilana, and my religion is Christianity.
My name is Matthew Deegan. I am a Christian.
It's basically believing that God died on the cross for our sins and that he rose on the third day.
It's the belief that he suffered and died for the sins of Christians.
Basic structure of how I live my daily life. I make my decisions based on religion. It's just basically the root of it.
When I think about my faith, I think about the golden rule of treat others as you would want to be treated.
Commandments that tell you, like, do not lie and do not steal.
The golden rule, it can unite all of the different religions who have maybe different variations of that same idea.
It's just about loving each other as ourselves.
You have a shared humanity. Everyone has fears and joy, and everyone feels love or feels anger, and it's understanding that you're all the same in some ways.